Now, moving on, the use of artificial intelligence and machine learning models in Kenya is still vastly underutilized, especially in the motor vehicle and consumer electronic industries. Renata Walker, product manager at Summer AI, says when the technology is universally accepted and applied in Kenya, it will improve workflow systems and machinery, especially in a tech-driven economy like Kenya.
The 2022 edition of the annual Government Artificial Intelligence Readiness Index, released by Oxford Insights, shows Kenya's overall score of 40.36%, placing it behind Egypt, South Africa, Tunisia and Morocco. The report says Kenya's overall consumption of AI products and services remains nascent.
It's interesting, right? Because when you think about AI, you never know that you want it until you have it and you see how it works, right? So if you think about, for example, face detection, like now you can lock your phones with just recognizing your face right away. It's something that you didn't know you wanted until you had it, right?
AI denotes the concept of development of computing systems capable of performing tasks customarily requiring human assistance, such as decision-making and speech recognition, among others.
Once you start using it, you cannot get enough. And now all the questions that are easy to answer is with ChatGPT, you will use ChatGPT instead of a normal Google search. I think the same goes with all the different models that are being built today. So for example, customers that we work with are really trying to introduce and enhance the uses of vehicles.
In Kenya, even as machine learning gains popularity, experts say the technology has barely scratched the surface.
For things to be gone and done greatly, we need to be a little bit more proactive in the usage of the different AI models. There's no way that you can get a perfect AI model from scratch. So you have to start with something and be accepting of that not being perfect, because it's through iterations that you can get everything to a much better place.
Further, analysts have in the past said that if the correct set of skill base was developed in Kenya, the technology would also come in handy in areas such as boosting education outcomes through personalized learning, disease control and weather forecasting. Alanauko, Easy Friday.